The Black + Decker 4-slice toaster oven is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers both convenience and functionality. With its sleek silver design, it enhances the appearance of any kitchen while providing excellent performance. Measuring 11.18 inches in depth, 15.47 inches in width, and 8.3 inches in height, this toaster oven has a compact size that makes it perfect for countertops with limited space. Its compact yet spacious design allows for easy placement and accommodates up to 4 slices of bread or a 9-inch pizza, making it suitable for small to medium-sized households. One notable feature of the Black + Decker 4-slice toaster oven is its manual control type. The knob control ensures easy operation, allowing users to adjust the time and temperature settings effortlessly. This simple and straightforward control mechanism makes it suitable for individuals of all ages, including those who may not be familiar with complex digital interfaces. The toaster oven's powerful heating.
The Hamilton Beach Sure Crisp Toaster Oven. Air fryer combo is a remarkable addition to any kitchen. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that this product offers a seamless combination of functionality, convenience, and versatility. The stainless steel finish of this toaster oven air fryer combo adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. Its compact dimensions of 11D into 13W into 17H make it an ideal choice for smaller kitchens or those with limited counter space. Despite its compact size, this appliance packs a powerful punch. One standout feature of the Hamilton Beach Sure Crisp Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo is its programmable function. With just the simple turn of a knob, you can easily select the desired temperature and cooking time, allowing you to achieve consistent results with every use. This level of precision makes it effortless to cook a wide range of dishes from crispy and succulent air-fried chicken to perfectly toasted.
The Ninja SP 101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven is a remarkable product that brings versatility and convenience to your kitchen. With over 10 years of writing experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that this appliance is a game changer. One of the standout features of this countertop oven is its programmable functionality. This allows you to easily set the cooking time and temperature for a wide variety of dishes. Whether you want to air fry, roast bake, or dehydrate, the Ninja SP 101 has got you covered. The programmable feature ensures precise and consistent results every time you use it. In terms of design, this countertop oven boasts a sleek and modern look. Its silver and black color combination adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor. The product dimensions of 19.72D into 14.96W into 7.56 H make it compact enough to fit comfortably on your countertop, while still offering a generous capacity of 19.7 cubic inches.
The Emerald Lagasse. Everyday 360 Air Fryer is a product that truly stands out in the market. With its special feature of temperature control, this air fryer offers precise cooking settings that ensure your food is cooked to perfection every time. Measuring at 15, D into 20, W into 10. This air fryer has a compact and sleek design that fits well in any kitchen. The Power Air Fryer 360 color adds a touch of elegance to its stainless steel construction, making it visually appealing and a great addition to your kitchen countertop. One of the key advantages of the Emerald Lagasse Everyday 360 Air Fryer is its capacity of 930 cubic inches. This generous size allows you to cook large quantities of food, making it perfect for gatherings or family meals. Whether you want to air fry, bake, toast, or roast, this air fryer has got you covered. The temperature control feature is a standout aspect of this product. It gives you the flexibility to set the cooking temperature precisely, allowing you.
The Cosori Smart 12-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Combo is a remarkable kitchen appliance that brings convenience and versatility to your cooking experience. As a product marketing expert with over 10 years of writing experience, I am impressed with the features and functionality of this appliance. One of the standout aspects of the Cosori Smart 12-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is its smart control feature. With the touch of a button, you can easily program and adjust the cooking settings according to your preferences. Whether you want to air fry, toast, bake, or dehydrate, this appliance has got you covered. In terms of design, the stainless steel construction not only gives the oven combo a sleek and modern look, but it also ensures durability and longevity. The product dimensions of 16.3 D into 16.9 W into 15.5 H make it suitable for any kitchen countertop without taking up too much space. What sets this product apart is its versatile control options. You can operate the oven combo.
The Black & Decker Crisp and Bake Air Fryer Toaster Oven is an exceptional kitchen appliance that combines the functionality of an air fryer and a toaster oven. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that this product is a game changer. One of the standout features of this appliance is its sleek and modern design. The stainless steel finish not only gives it a premium look, but also ensures its durability. The dimensions of 18D into 16W into 11.2 H make it compact enough to fit in any kitchen countertop without taking up too much space. The Crisp and Bake Air Fryer Toaster Oven offers a unique temperature control feature, allowing you to adjust the heat according to your preference. This feature ensures that your food is cooked to perfection, whether you're baking, toasting, or air frying. The knob control makes it easy to navigate through the different settings, ensuring a seamless user experience. The versatility of this product is also worth mention.
The Black + Decker 4-Slice Crisp and Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the functionality of an air fryer and a toaster oven. Its sleek stainless steel design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. One of the standout features of this product is its programmable functionality. With the ability to set precise cooking times and temperatures, you can achieve perfectly crispy and evenly cooked results every time. The knob control interface makes it easy to navigate through the different settings and select the desired cooking mode. The 4-slice capacity of the toaster oven allows you to toast multiple slices of bread or prepare a small batch of snacks in one go. Whether you're making toast, bagels, or even reheating leftovers, this appliance offers consistent and reliable performance. The air fryer feature is a real game changer. Using powerful convection technology, it circulates hot air around the food to produce a crispy exterior while
The Black + Decker 4-Slice Crisp and Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven is a versatile and convenient kitchen appliance that combines the functionalities of a toaster oven and an air fryer. With over 10 years of experience in the product marketing industry, I can confidently say that this product offers a range of features that make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. One of the key highlights of this toaster oven is its crisp and bake functionality. It utilizes air frying technology to deliver crispy and delicious results with minimal oil usage. This is especially beneficial for health-conscious individuals who still want to enjoy their favorite fried foods without the guilt. The stainless steel exterior of this product not only adds a sleek and modern touch to your kitchen, but also ensures durability and longevity. Its compact size, measuring 16.86 inches in depth, 9.07 inches in width, and 11.6 inches in height, makes it suitable for kitchens with limited countertop space. The Black + Decker.
The Black + Decker 4-Slice Crisp and Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that combines the functions of a toaster oven and an air fryer. This product is designed and manufactured by the well-established brand Black + Decker, known for its quality and reliability. One of the standout features of this toaster oven is its sleek stainless steel design, which adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. With dimensions of 16.86 D into 9.07 W into 11.6 H, it has a compact footprint that fits well in smaller spaces without compromising on functionality. The programmable feature of this toaster oven allows users to easily set the desired cooking time and temperature, ensuring precise and consistent results. The knob control interface makes it simple and intuitive to operate. The air fry function of this product is a game changer, as it enables users to enjoy crispy and delicious food with significantly less oil compared to traditional frying methods.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.